is Big B, and I'm coming to you today with a new product, and the product is called Diamond Art. I seen this on Facebook about a year ago. Thought it might be a little pricey, but since the quarantine, I decided that I wanted to try it and see, since we all trying to stay healthy and, safe, and find things to do in this time. So, I got my kit today. I didn't get my picture yet, so my painting yet. So we're gonna open up this, and I'm gonna show you what I bought, what I got. Like I said, it's a kit, and let's put our foot into this. And I also want to say that I ordered this from Amazon. I will put the link down in the description. Down in the description for you guys. So it's not hard. Whoa. I said it wasn't hard. It might have been a little hard for me. Well, actually, I need a box cutter, and I will be doing one. But scissors do fine. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Wrapped pretty good. This stuff comes with it. I actually got something else I ordered today. Ordered two that came but don't have nothing to do with it. So I'm going to take it and put it down here. Oh, this is nice, guys. I like this. And let's bring it out. Booyah! This is it. This is my kit. Wow. Oh, I got a case with it. And I have a light pad, guys. I got a light pad with it. So, we're going to open up this piece by piece, show you what's in it, in my kit. And okay, so I guess we're going to start with the bag. So we're going to move this out the way, set it to the side. And it's a nice bag, nice zipper that you get. It's kind of woven, but it's a plastic woven bag. I'm pretty sure that's going to be really good. So let's take out the goodies. A lot of goodies in this bag, y'all. Lots of goodies. I don't even know what half of the goodies is. I'm a noob at this, guys, too. Let y'all know. This is something new for me. But this is the bag. It's a nice sturdy bag. Put that to the side. Okay. This is a roller. I guess what you see. It rolls to press the diamonds down. I guess that's what that's used for. Okay, you got some number stickers. Guess we'll get more into what these number stickers are when we get our painting. So I don't really want to explain what them are until we get our painting. So, and these are the little trays. I got colorful ones. And these is what your diamonds or your drills or whatever you call them go into for your painting. Okay, I just got little snaps on it. Sorry about that. And they're the 4 case ones. Pretty little selection of colors that they gave me. And like I said, I'll explain more and show more about what these are and what they're used for when I get my painting. But these are the little containers that holds your jewels. So I got that in my kit. And this is a nice kit, guys. It's not a real small kit. It's actually a big kit. So, and then you got more little tabs that you can use with your, they go on these little cases. So, and I'll explain that more, like I said, when my picture comes, because you'll be able to understand it more. So they give you a nice 3 sheets of those, 2 sheets of the number labelers, Okay, so we put that down. Now, these look like double-sided tape. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what this is, some kind of double-sided sticky tape. I don't know what it's used for, but we'll find out later. Okay. Tweezers, the plastic tweezers that comes with every standard kit. And I also got a pair of the nice tweezers that everybody says is really nice, that helps to get the jewels off your painting if they get stuck somewhere or whatever, and you can pick your jewels up with. So I got 2 pairs of tweezers. Now guys, I guess the spoons, because in every thing I've never seen spoons. I have spoons. Somebody put down there and tell me what these spoons are for. I guess they're to pick up the diamonds. I don't know, but 2 spoons. So if somebody know what them for, tell me. I got 4 of the little scrunchy things that go on the ends of your pens. They go on your pens. These are the diamond tools that you get to do your diamond painting with. Oh, I'm so happy, y'all. I got I don't know if this is a 6 or a 9. It might be a 9. One. I got an orange one. I don't know what this one is either. It looks like it's a 3. No, it looks like it's a 4. But I don't know what size they are. Let me see if there's any numbers on them. Nope, no numbers. So, but like I said, you've seen them in all these videos. And this is the original one with the 1 on the end and the 3 on the bottom. And this is a spacer to push your diamonds to make sure they're in a straight line on the end of this one. And then there's another 3 holder on the other end of it. So you see, I get 4 of those. You get some clamps to hold your painting on to whatever you're going to hold your painting on. If it's your light board or whatever, you get 2 pet clips there. Okay, you get 2 green trays with this kit. And I noticed that one of the green trays have the slot is cut off the end of it. So that kind of probably makes it really easy to pour your diamonds back into these little holes. This one everybody says hard because it has the plastic all the way around. So you get 2 of those. Never seen that before either, so that's nice. You get some baggies. Everybody know about the baggies. They give you baggies. I got 2 sets. I don't know if it's 10 in each one of these or what, but most of the time, the kits that I've seen, they never give you enough baggies. But I got 2, so I should, and them is to hold your diamonds too. Don't want to call them beads. And y'all, the famous wax. Or I guess the stuff that sticks the diamonds, that you put into this pen, and then you pick your diamonds up with it. That's why I guess I'm gonna call it the picky up glue, to pick up your diamonds with. And I get 8. That's a lot of glue, I guess. From what everybody's saying, you don't need a lot, you don't use a lot. So I get a whole 8 squares with this kit. That's a lot of glue. So I'm never run out of glue. And the famous big blue tray. Okay, this is the big blue tray. It's the famous one. When you get, everybody say you should use this one when you got big pictures because it holds a lot more of the diamonds and it's like bigger. So, and then the white one that everybody likes. Now everybody likes this white one because it has this spout on the end that you can pour the diamonds back in when you're done. So everybody likes this one, but like I said, I ended up with this one too. I haven't heard too many people talk about this one, but it does have like I said, it has this little slot. So I think the diamonds would fall out that one pretty good too, and this one too. So them are all of my cases. And that's what all came in here. Like I said, the roller, and I said 4 of these. I got 5 of these little scrunchy things, scrunchy pen holder things. I got 5 of them with my kit. So this is a pretty big kit, everybody. Okay, now we're gonna get into this big box here. Okay, This is my light pad. And I have a carrying case with my light pad. So we're gonna take out the light pad. And we're gonna take out the carrying case. Here, piece of plastic, nice plastic, got a zipper on it. Okay, this is the carrying case. It feels like, oh gosh. You know when you was in grade school and you used to have that sticky thing, we used to stick the little things on it? and teachers, everybody had them. I'm pretty sure you had one. And used to stick them little ruffle things onto it. That's what this feels like. It feels like that material. That's all it is. It opens up like this. And it has a little pocket on the side. So I guess you can carry your picture in here. In the front, you could probably carry your pens and some couple of things, a tray and stuff. It's not really big, it's not really wide, but nice handle, pretty sturdy, like it, okay? And now we're gonna not the end of this, but close to the end. This is my light pad. Now I decided to buy a kit with a light pad in it instead of buying the light pad separate. I'm probably gonna have to get a bigger light pad later, but this one will do for now. Okay, it comes with a stand, regular stand, to stand it up. Show you that when I get my painting. You get 3 little clips. I guess that's 3 little clips to hold your picture on to the to it. You get a plug for the wall plug. You get 2 more clips, so that means I have 4 of these clips now because I have 2 with in there, and I have 2 here. Then you have your charging cord right here. It's just a UB, what you call this? A regular charging cord, I guess. It looks like any standard cord, charging cord, okay, and that. And it comes back really cute. Now the only thing about this is light. It's so light. It's so light, y'all. It's very light. It feels like it's nothing. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like a piece of glass. Okay, and it has an instruction pad, I guess, to show you how it works and how it looks, okay, with it. But this is it. This is the pad, the light pad. I'm pretty sure it's not charged. It's got a piece of plastic over it. I don't think I want to take that off yet because, like I said, my picture's not here. But that's it, light pad. So guys, this is my opening today. I got my kit, but I don't have my picture yet. So as soon as my picture comes, we will do that, and I'll see y'all then. Stay safe, be happy, and have love. Goodbye.